I'm Amber Perry from McGrath, and today I'm at this fantastic dual living property at 15 Satinay Street in Mountain Creek. This fantastic property is ideal for extended families or take advantage of the current Airbnb opportunity already in place. Downstairs has 2 bedrooms with open plan living and a covered veranda, adjoining a sunny in-ground pool and gazebo. Upstairs leads to a fully self-contained 2-bedroom apartment with beautiful timber floors and a stunning new bathroom. Playing in my mind all the things I never close my eyes, and the sky's on fire. I can't waste another night sitting here alone. We can't do it all again, and I'll never let you go. This home really is perfectly positioned, only moments to the Mountain Creek School, shops, parks and even the beach. Please give me a call to arrange an inspection.